Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PDF using Google Docs. First, open your web browser and navigate to Docs. Google.com. You can either start a brand new blank document or open an existing file that you wish to convert. Ensure your document is completely finalized and ready for export before proceeding to the next step. Take a moment to review all your content, checking for any last-minute edits or formatting adjustments, as these will be preserved in the final PDF file. Before exporting, dedicate a few moments to thoroughly review your document's layout and content. Confirm that all images are correctly placed and sized, and that text formatting, like font styles and paragraph spacing, appears exactly as you intend. Any errors or misalignments at this stage will carry over into your PDF. This quick check helps ensure a polished and professional result, saving you time from re-exporting later. A well-prepared document makes the conversion process seamless. Now for the straightforward conversion step. With your document open, locate the File menu in the top left corner of your screen. Click on File, then hover your mouse over the Download option in the drop-down menu. A new submenu will appear. Select PDF document from this list. Your browser will then download the PDF to your computer's default downloads folder, typically taking only a few seconds for an average document of a few pages. This action creates a static, view-only version of your work. Once the download is complete, navigate to your computer's downloads folder to find your newly created PDF file. Double-click to open it with your preferred PDF viewer and meticulously check that everything appears correct, including text, images, and overall layout. This crucial verification step ensures the conversion was successful and your document looks exactly as intended. You are now ready to share this professional PDF via email, a cloud service, or any other method you prefer, confident in its presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.